What you're looking at right now might completely change how you think about smartphones in 2025. Because this is the Ikko Mine One, possibly the smallest fully functional Android phone ever made, and honestly, I still can't believe someone had the courage to build it. Yet here it is, running Android 15, taking real SIM cards, making calls, browsing the internet, downloading apps, and even playing games. All inside a body so small it's literally smaller than a wallet and light. Enough at just 132 grams that you forget it's in your pocket, and this is still just a prototype, which makes it even more impressive. Because despite the tiny size, Ikko somehow managed to fit in a sharp 4.0 2-inch AMOLED display with full 108 OP resolution, meaning everything looks incredibly crisp, vibrant, and contrast, especially when apps like TikTok and Instagram automatically adapt to the square form factor, while even Netflix runs surprisingly well if you're brave enough to watch movies on such a compact screen. And yes, it feels weirdly nostalgic, almost like holding a modern-day Game Boy, especially when you realize you can download actual Android games from the Play Store and treat this thing as a pocket gaming device. And to save battery, the display runs at 60 Hz, which honestly makes sense for a phone like this, especially when paired with the 2,200 mAh battery that Ikko claims can last a full day thanks to the smaller screen and power-efficient hardware. Though real-world testing will tell the full story. And then there's the camera, which is one of the smartest design choices here. Because instead of cramming multiple sensors, Ikko uses a flip-out 50-megapixel Sony sensor that doubles as both the main and selfie camera, saving space while still delivering mid-range image quality on paper. And while I can't share samples yet, the hardware choice itself is promising, and on the software side, Ikko is committing to 3 major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, which is honestly respectable for a startup entering such a competitive space, especially when you consider added features like Nano, Link for AI services, and support for both virtual SIM and traditional Nano SIM. Although connectivity tops out at 4G+, which Ikko says is a deliberate decision to balance speed and battery life instead of chasing 5G. And finally, when it comes to price, the Ikko Mine One is launching at $369 on Kickstarter and has already raised close to $1 million, which tells you there's real interest in this idea. Because this isn't just a novelty device, it's a genuinely fun, experimental phone that could work as a secondary device, a music player, a compact gaming console, or even, if you're adventurous enough, your main smartphone. And honestly, it's refreshing to see a new company take risks and do something playful in a market that's been playing it safe for far too long.